Wait.
Everybody knows I love cool tools, and Bora has got some really cool tools I've been working with lately. This Centipede work support system comes in several sizes. You can see one I've got set up here. I've just got a couple of sheets of styrofoam on top to support my cut as I work with my second favorite tool, the WTX edge guide and saw plate. This gives you the capabilities of a track saw at a much lower price point because you're using your own saw, but it's still a second to none of capabilities. The saw plate will fit right over top, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a cut for you. Still allows the blade guide to move freely, which is a good thing. So we can get our nice straight cuts. It's very easy to move and to adjust. But it also gives you some capabilities that you don't get with track saws, like you can attach a router to the same edge guide, and now you can cut your dados and your grooves and your cabinets and casework. So some really innovative products. We've got the WTX edge guide and saw plate, and the Centipede work support system, all from Bora. There's two washers.